Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed, where we have some posts from the people that we follow. Then we swipe to the right, scroll down to the bottom of this new list, open the toggle list under the settings and support name, and then tap on settings and privacy. Here we go into your account, and then we tap on account information. And here at the bottom of the list we find logout. If you tap on this, we just have to tap on logout again here, and then we are going to be logged out from the X app. We can log in afterwards very easily just by writing our email address and the password to that email address. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.